First at 6, nobody said a word about it for nearly 9 months. Now the secret about a broken freezer at APD's DNA lab is out.
It's a Pandora's box. Key evidence in hundreds or more cases could be compromised or destroyed, and keeping that discovery a secret may be a crime itself.
KXAN's Leslie Rangel spoke today with attorneys who say this whole debacle may violate federal law.
This is outrageous. This set of circumstances is preposterous.
Defense attorney Skip Davis shocked after learning months later the APD DNA lab had a broken freezer holding evidence.
I guess they were just going to proceed as if it was every other day, and this evidence had been properly maintained, properly handled.
The incoming district attorney, Margaret Moore, told us by phone she learned about the issue about a month ago.
I find it very surprising and disappointing.
But attorneys argue it's not only confidence that's broken, laws may have also been violated.
Brady is the law, U.S. Supreme Court law, that states that if the government in any of its law enforcement agencies has any information that tends to show the innocence of the person who's accused or impeach the credibility of people who are accusing the accused, then that information must be distributed to the defense team.
Davis says because defense attorneys in the DA's office alike were not notified of potential damaged evidence, it's a violation.
I contend it is a cover-up because that's the language they used in their own letter. If you read it, they say that we're not going to tell our customers that we had this significant departure from the standard. In other words, we'll just be quiet and act like nothing happened.
It was disturbing in that it seemed to show that the people in the APD lab were insufficiently trained as to the implications of an incident like that and their responsibility to give that information to the district attorney's office. Well, I would say that the confidence in the APD lab at this point is non-existent.
In Austin, Leslie Rangel, KXAN News.
Moore says the impact the freezer debacle will have on cases in Travis County remains to be seen, but at least one defense attorney told us it will impact his case. He's defending Mikhail Kreiner, accused of killing UT student Hatika Weiser. Attorney Ariel Payan told us off camera, although the DNA from his case was stored after the freezer was fixed, he has no way of knowing it was secure. He plans to request a hearing to see if the evidence is still admissible.
There is a powerful new push to outsource the DNA lab, taking it out from under the supervision of APD. KXAN has learned Travis County judges plan to send a formal letter to county and city leaders saying they all agree APD should not be in charge of any lab, not only DNA, but also forensics. They say too many criminal cases are being delayed or dismissed, impacting justice.